skin is more than what you see in the mirror, it's your body's largest organ, working 24/7 to protect you. But how much do you really know about what it needs to stay healthy, hydrated, and glowing? In this video, we're diving deep into the science of skincare, how milk-based products support your skin barrier, and how a full 5-step routine can completely change the way your skin looks and feels. No gimmicks, no filters, just facts, education, and clarity. Let's explore what your skin is silently asking for, and how the Milk Skincare Set from Temu can help deliver exactly that. Before we touch a single product, let's understand the skin itself. Your skin has 3 main layers: the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue. Most skincare products only affect the outer layer, the epidermis, which is where dead skin cells, oils, and environmental damage build up. This layer protects you, but it's also easily disrupted by over-cleansing, dehydration, or harsh ingredients. That's why products with gentle, nourishing ingredients like milk proteins and lactic acid are so effective. They work with your skin's biology, not against it. When you neglect hydration, you may notice dullness, flaking, or even increased oiliness as your skin overcompensates. On the flip side, when your skin is properly moisturized, it looks plumper, feels softer, and functions better as a protective barrier. Milk isn't a fad in skincare. It's been used for centuries, from Cleopatra's famous milk baths to modern K-beauty formulations. Why? Because milk contains lactic acid, a mild AHA, alpha-hydroxy acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, helping to reveal brighter, smoother skin. It also contains vitamins A, D, and E, crucial for cellular repair, hydration, and elasticity. Combined with fatty acids and peptides, milk-based formulas are naturally hydrating, soothing, and brightening. The Milk Skincare Set from Temu captures these benefits across 5 key steps, each one designed to work in harmony with your skin's natural rhythm. Cleansing is the first and most crucial step. This milk-based cleanser removes dirt and excess oil without stripping your skin. Harsh cleansers can damage your skin barrier, but this one respects it. Use lukewarm water and gently massage it into the skin. Avoid scrubbing, friction causes micro tears. Instead, let the formula do the work. After cleansing, your skin's pH level can be thrown off. A toner helps restore that balance. This toner uses milk extracts and glycerin to calm the skin and prep it for better absorption of serums and creams. Apply with your hands, not cotton. Pat it in gently, it's more skin-friendly and helps you feel more connected to the process. This is the powerhouse step. The serum delivers concentrated ingredients like milk peptides and hyaluronic acid deep into the epidermis. It helps lock in hydration, reduce fine lines, and improve skin tone over time. Use 2 to 3 drops and press it in using your palms. Let it sit for 30 seconds before moving on. Your under-eye skin is thinner and more sensitive. This eye cream hydrates and helps reduce puffiness and dark circles with calming milk proteins. Use your ring finger and dab gently, never rub. Finally, this lightweight moisturizer seals in everything you've layered. It creates a protective shield while hydrating your skin throughout the day or night. It's non-greasy and absorbs quickly, making it great for all skin types. This kind of milk-based skincare is ideal for dry, sensitive, or dull skin. But oily skin types shouldn't skip this. Hydration actually helps balance oil production. Many people mistakenly overstrip oily skin, which only makes it worse. If you suffer from irritation, redness, or an uneven skin tone, this gentle, multi-step approach can support long-term repair. And remember, always patch test. Even natural ingredients can cause irritation for some. The truth is, skincare is about consistency, not magic. Products can only help if you use them regularly and thoughtfully. This Milk Skincare Set offers a structure, a simple 5-step ritual that's easy to stick to and calming to perform. It's self-care, science, and habit, all in one. If this video helped you understand your skin a little better, give it a like, share it with someone who's new to skincare, and subscribe for weekly skin education, without the hype. Your skin deserves consistency, not complexity. See you in the next one.